I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing.
Good afternoon, guys, and this is Tech, and I'm Nash, and today we are going to unbox the the i38 gaming TWS. Yes, I can't pronounce the brand that I bought from, and if you want to know what the name is, right there. And this is the i38s gaming earbud, and it is pretty hefty and it looks cool, so let's just do the unboxing. Alright, so we have the i38 right here, and let's see the box. You can see it's the black color, and it has a pretty much a very simple design, with its keep on emphasizing on the ultra long standby time, 40 milliseconds low latency, music gaming dual mode, and the 360 precise localization. Let's open up. So inside it, this is the TWS i38s with the instruction manual, and you have the Type-C cable, which is quite typical, and you have the extra earbuds. As you can see, the ear tip is ranging from the large to the small. Alright, so lastly we will have the earbuds. Oh, look at that. Alright, so inside nothing else. Alright, it is a very simple unboxing. So we will have the i38s right here, and this logo remind me of the crypto.com logo like that. Yeah, if we see around it is very plain, and it's a very interesting design because the top half of the casing is thicker than the bottom half. So and somehow it is quite stable if you put it upright, put it at the side as well, and also put it at the top. It's quite a interesting design because it's a flat top on every corners with some curve here, and at the back there's nothing. The top has nothing, the side has nothing other than the Type-C charging port at the bottom. So that's the logo of the i38s, and inside it has the earbud right there, and inside is a glossy finish, while the exterior is all matte finish, as you can see, and the lighting is indicated right here. Alright, so these are the two earbuds. It is made of plastic glossy finish, and as it has the same logo as well. Nice blue tint right here with the pogo pin. Other than that, there's nothing else to see other than there's a small mic right here, and the earbud is quite interesting because it has some texture on it. It's the quite smooth type, probably going to be help in the ear grip and also the comfort as well. Once you put the earbuds inside the casing, you can see there is a green glow right there, so meaning it's charging. And when I open it up, as you can see, it turns to green as well. Alright, to have the comparison of this earbud, you have the Soundpeats Gamer number 1 right here, and you can see it's slightly bigger compared to the Gamer number 1, probably about the same as the ZNT Game Beats right here. The design wise is pretty quite similar, I would say. And that's all for the unboxing. Let's just move on to the sound test. Alright, so welcome to the sound test, where we are going to play some crowd sound on the TV at 50% volume, and actually looking about the sound quality. Is the mic picking up my voice, and is it picking up the crowd sound instead? So now we move on to the wind test, where now I'm standing right in front of the fan with the wind blowing directly through my earbud. Can you still hear my voice, or is it too breezy? Alright, so now we move a step away from the sound and stand to the place slightly more quieter in a neutral sounding environment. So what do you think about the mic quality? Is it good? Is it bad? Tell me in the comments down below. Alright, so welcome back to the conclusion. And I must, after using this for a while, I must say the positive things I would say about the i38s is the fact that it is a matte finish. It is matte finish, so it barely have any fingerprint smudges on this earpiece, and also it has a decent hinge. So even if you accidentally drop it, it is less likely to come off from the case. And for the earbud, it is quite decent in terms of sound quality, but when it fits in the ear, it stays on the ear. As you can see, I have headbang shake with my life off. It's not budging at all, maybe due to the texture that I felt when unboxing. So that's all I could say about that. In terms of latency, is still decent enough to play the games, but it's not too bad, even though the number may not be good. And also, just the bad thing about this is just the mic quality. Make sure when you're playing games, make sure the mic is not near a fan or somewhere crowded, because it picks up everything. So other than that, yeah, it's decent for $27 earpiece. And I'm gonna end this video right here and now, and thank you for watching, and please hit the like and do hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Thank you for watching, and I catch you all next time. See ya.